I know you want to fast forward, but just hang on. I promise you it won't be long. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I am going to reveal to you a new item that I got from Hermes, and things that come in small packages are always awesome. Alright, so let's take it out. So I have my receipt and I have my certificate here. So the certificate comes in a white little booklet like that. There's some information which I will read to you later. But I got something, a little orange box. This is such a cute little orange box. So there's a little flap opening and it comes with another black one. What I picked up from Hermes is a little ring. It is really far from the camera, so I will put a close-up. This is the HD Ancre, very simple ring, but I absolutely love the simplicity of it. It's rose gold and it has the diamonds, just a little bit of a touch of, you know, luxury. I decided to go with this ring instead of the Love ring from Cartier, which I probably will eventually get maybe as a wedding anniversary, but I wanted this ring as a stacking ring. So with all my other rings, so let me just stack it with this ring that I got from Emily Jewellery, and you can see it looks super pretty with for stacking. So I can add it with, let me just add another ring to show you. I can also stack it with the Chanel Mini Coco Crush ring with the white gold and this. I think it looks really cool as well. Or just wear it on its own on my index finger. I can also wear it on my third finger because my fingers are about the same. It's only the knuckle that is a little bit, I gotta like push it through, and obviously there are some days that my hands are swollen, it gets a little bit tight. I can also wear it on my other hand, right here. So both hands are okay, and also on my third finger. So yeah, I decided to go for this ring. I do want to get the CDC ring eventually, but because I wanted to have something that is, just like a ring like this, a basic ring for stacking, I thought I'd go with this first. And I do like the sparkly diamonds. I thought it adds a touch of, like I said, touch of luxe. So yeah, that's my really quick reveal. So anyway, let me just share very quickly with you on the certificate. You buy fine jewelry with diamonds or gemstones, you actually get a certificate, and this is the certificate for gemstones and precious metal. And inside here, there is obviously some stamping on the authenticity, I can't speak, as well as the registration number. So there is a number for this ring, and it says here there are 27 pieces of diamonds or pave diamonds, and the total weight is 0.07. It is really, really small, but it looks really sparkly in the ring. And yeah, I really like the fact that if you look carefully, there is a H as well. So yeah, I got that. And I have my receipt here. So yeah, this is a very, very quick reveal on my additional fine jewelry pieces. If you also enjoy fine jewelry, I have a couple of videos already regarding my fine jewelry collection or my favorite jewelries in my collection. I will link them down below. You can check it out if you haven't. This is a new addition to the family. So anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell as well. Otherwise, everybody, please take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!